How to hyperlink an image in Excel? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hyperlink an image in Excel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, I have here a new document, a new sheet. So here in Home, next to Home, I have the menu Insert. I go to Illustrations, now Pictures. You can select a picture from your computer, but by now I'm going to select an online picture. So I'm just going to use the first that I see. This airplane could be. And now click in Insert. Okay, now I have my image. What I have to do is go again to the menu Insert. And then at the end of this menu, I have the option Link. So if I click on it, I'm going to have three different options. The first one is hyperlink this image to a web page or file, or another part of this document. It could be another sheet and an email address. So by now I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink this image to a web page. Obviously what you have to do is go to the web page that you want to hyperlink. Command C or Control plus C, that's the shortcut. And I'm going to paste that hyperlink here. And now let's click on OK. As you can see, I'm going to move my selection to another square. And if I put my click on top of this image, now you're going to see the hand. That means that if I click on it, automatically the web page that I have selected, it's going to be opened. And that's it. This is how you can hyperlink an image in Excel. Thanks for watching.